In this video, we're going to talk about soil. This is a 4th grader student, and she's in the concrete operational according to Piaget. The student is going to learn about the properties of soil and the resource that the plants can get from soil, and she's going to explore and make predictions during the lesson. This is a structured lesson. The teacher gives instruction to what is next and what it needs to do during the lesson. Okay, today we're going to learn about the soil. Okay, do you know what a soil is? What is dirt? Dirt, right? Do you know what our properties are?
Property? And that's part of the soil.
Okay, it's on the dirt. So, what can you tell me that the soil has? Some of the properties that the soil has.
Vitamins.
Okay, brown, look, this is soil. So, go ahead and touch it. What you can say by the texture, how you feel. So, what are some of the properties? We talk about the texture, color, what else? Shape, does it have shape?
Different colors.
You said the properties are things that they own, so what the soil owns, what it's part of the soil. With the color.
Brown.
Okay, it's brown. How does it feel? Is it soft, hard?
Some of it is hard.
Some of them hard, so we can say this is hard. Okay, and another property that we can say about the soil that it absorbs water and it absorbs nutrients from other plants.
Vitamins.
Vitamins, okay, you can say vitamins. Water. Okay, so do you think that rocks are soil? Is this soil too?
Yes.
Yes, right, but it's in a form of rocks, right? So, which one do you think that it will absorb more water? Soil or rock soil?
Soil.
Why?
Because the water can go in.
The water can go in, okay? So, we will say that we're going to make predictions, okay? So, your prediction is that the water will go into the rocks, right? It will go through it, right? Is that what you're saying? What about the soil? What is going to happen if we put water in it?
It will stay in it.
Huh?
It will stay in it.
It will stay in it, so it will absorb the water, right? Okay, go ahead and grab that cup of water and put some in. See what happens. So, if we look at the soil, it absorbs the water, right? Right? It makes it squishy, like you said. So it has a new texture. It's soft, right? It's not hard anymore.
It's mud.
It's muddy. Okay. What happened with the rock? Did it absorb the water?
No.
What happened? It went through it? Okay. In the rock, we can still see the water, right, moving around. It takes longer to absorb. And sometimes it doesn't absorb. What is soil useful for?
To grow plants.
Okay, we can use it to grow plants. Okay, the soil is used to grow plants, vegetables, and you said one first at the beginning, so flowers. What does the soil do to the plants? It gives them vitamins, okay? Okay, we can say it gives them nutrients to make them grow. Explore in the soil to see what things you can find in it. What's that? A leaf, okay, piece of leaf. Okay, what else can you find in there? Okay, so what do you think these pieces of items that you find in the soil are helpful to the soil?
They give it little pieces of it, and then these things, they have like different kind of nutrients and they give them soil.
This helps they help to grow plants, vegetables, and flowers, right? The rock when you put water in it, and what happened to the dirt when you put water in it. Okay, so go ahead and explain what you draw in your picture.
These are the rocks, and the blue is the water that I put into the rocks. And this is the soil.
And what happened when you put the water in it?
The rocks didn't absorb the water.
The rock didn't absorb the water, okay?
And then this is the soil. You can't see the water because the soil absorbed it. What happened is that the soil absorbed the water.